In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lightning email template in Salesforce using the Email Template Builder. Let's dive into the process and make sure you gain a solid understanding of each step along the way. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the tools and features Salesforce has to offer. Once you're there, your first task is to locate and click on the App Launcher. The App Launcher is your gateway to all the available applications within Salesforce, including our focus for today, email templates. Next, in the App Launcher, find and click on Email Templates. This section is specifically designed for managing all your email communications through Salesforce, providing an efficient and organized space for your template creations. Now that you're in the Email Templates area, you'll proceed by clicking on New Email Template. This option allows you to start crafting your email from scratch. Here, you'll be prompted to type in the name of your new template. Be sure to choose something descriptive and easy to reference later. The following step involves choosing a related entity type. This selection is crucial as it determines the context in which your email will be used. For example, if you're creating an email related to sales opportunities, you'd select a related entity type that aligns with your sales data. This ensures your emails are relevant and targeted to the right audience. After setting the entity type, click on Select Folder to choose where this template will be stored. Organizing your templates into folders can save you time and help keep everything easily accessible. Choose a folder that matches the theme or purpose of your template. Once you've made your selection, click Select Folder again to confirm your choice. Adding a description to your template is optional but recommended. This is especially useful if your template will be shared with others or used frequently. Descriptions can provide insights into the template's purpose and usage guidelines. Next, you'll need to define the subject line and message body of your email. The subject line is the first thing your recipients will see, so make it engaging and informative. The message body is where you'll craft the content of your email. Use clear language and customize your message to suit your audience. For personalization, you can insert merge fields in your email. Merge fields pull data from records in Salesforce to dynamically personalize each email. This is especially handy for addressing recipients by name or referencing specific details pertinent to each individual. As you finalize your merge fields and overall content, click on Insert to place them in your template. After reviewing everything for accuracy and coherence, you're ready to move to the final step. Simply click on Save to store your new email template. There you have it, a complete and personalized Lightning email template ready for use in Salesforce. This process not only streamlines your email communications, but also enhances engagement through effective template design. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.